You probably think you need Bluetooth earbuds to listen to Spotify on the Galaxy Watch 8, but you actually don't. You can play Spotify songs directly through the watch speaker, browse your favorite artists and playlists, and even download music to listen offline without your phone. So, let me show you everything you can do with Spotify on the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic. First, we need to install Spotify. Open the apps screen on your Galaxy Watch and launch the Google Play Store. Now, tap the search icon, search for Spotify and install the app. Once it's installed, open Spotify. If your watch is connected to your phone and you already use Spotify, signing in is very easy. Just follow the instructions on the screen and connect your Spotify account. And this is where things get interesting. Spotify on the Galaxy Watch is not just a basic music controller for your phone. You can actually browse music directly from your wrist. On the Spotify home screen, you will see your recently played music and recommendations. Scroll down and you can browse your favorite playlists, albums and artists. Want to listen to a specific song? Just use the search option. You can find your favorite song, search for an artist, or open a playlist and start playing music directly from the watch. But here's the feature most people don't know about. You don't always need Bluetooth headphones or earbuds. The Galaxy Watch has a built-in speaker and you can use it to listen to Spotify. Simply select your song and open the playback device option. Now choose your Galaxy Watch as the audio output. And that's it. Your Spotify music will start playing directly through the watch speaker. Obviously, this isn't going to replace your earbuds for music quality. But if you're sitting in your room, quickly checking a song, or you simply don't have your earbuds with you, it can be really useful. Now, what if you want to use Spotify without your phone, or even without an internet connection? This is probably one of the best Spotify features on the Galaxy Watch. You can download music directly to your watch and listen to it offline. Open Spotify and find the playlist or album you want to save. Open it and select the download to watch option. Spotify will start downloading the music to your Galaxy Watch. I recommend connecting your watch to Wi-Fi before downloading, especially if the playlist has a lot of songs. Once the download is complete, your music is stored on the watch. So, you can leave your phone at home, go for a walk, running or workout and still listen to your favorite music. Just open Spotify, go to your downloaded music, select your playlist and press play. You don't need your phone nearby and you don't need an active internet connection. You can also play and pause music, skip to the next song, go back to the previous track and control the volume directly from your wrist. So Spotify on the Galaxy Watch is much more powerful than it first looks. You can browse your favorite songs, artists, albums and playlists, play music through the built-in watch speaker without Bluetooth earbuds, and download your favorite music for offline listening, and now you know exactly how to use it. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Galaxy Watch 8 and 8 classic tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.